Greetings, this is a tutorial on how to add contacts to inventory management. These contacts can be used to add shipping addresses, to add billing addresses, add phone numbers for manufacturers, agents, suppliers, organizations that you will be working with, that you will be shipping items to, receiving items from, using this inventory management module. Right now we are looking at an inventory management screen. Contacts right here, the two tags, organizations and contacts, this screen is called. To add a new contact, you would add the name, you would the name of the organization, whether it's an agent, a manufacturer, a supplier. All of these checkboxes are important because they are linked directly to transports, they are linked directly to voyages. So if you want contacts or organizations to appear under, let's say, manufacturer, you do need to check this box. If you want this contact to appear under an agent, you do need to check this box. You can add phone number, email, you can add the website. This is useful for when you have a team and you all want to look at the same data, call the same person, have this data on hand, this information on hand for each organization you are working with. You can add the main address. This is a requirement actually. Main address, name, location code, and location code is a standardized address to ensure geographic accuracy and consistency across systems, ground data. So this is a requirement. If we are missing some location codes, please let me know. Billing address and shipping address. So if you have an organization or a contact or a manufacturer and the billing address is the same as the shipping address, then please select the two checkboxes. If billing address is one and shipping address is another, then we would have to make two different submissions for an organization. If you are, let's say I'm Scripps, I'm adding this contact. If I want to share this contact with the whole fleet, I would select yes, share with all institutions. If this contact is just internal to the institution, then leave it as is and do not turn it on. All right. We also have, let's go into an existing organization. We also have the functionality to add several addresses to the same organization. So let's say that we have again, I'm gonna bring Scripps as an example. Scripps has several warehouses. They don't necessarily want to add all their warehouses as separate items, as separate organizations. So they would just add Scripps, institutional oceanography, and then add several addresses to that one organization. You can also add several contacts. Let's say you have several agents that are part of the same organization, you can do that. And then you can also add any documents you need. These are very important, and if you don't select these, they will not be appearing in places like transports or voyages. So if you are shipping something, if you are shipping a plan list, a box of equipment, a container of equipment, these do come handy, because when you are selecting a location, they will be automatically generated. These shipping addresses, contact, phone, email, they will be automatically generated for a transport you're trying to register, and they do come in handy. All right, I think that is it. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at stephanie@unils.org or mfp@unils.org. I think that is it. Thank you for listening. I hope this helps.